You over 50 and feeling like your joints creak more than an old attic door? Are you constantly Googling natural remedies to boost health, hoping to find something that doesn't involve kale smoothies or cold showers? Well, today we're diving into a simple trick that's literally right in your kitchen. Imagine waking up with more energy, less inflammation, and all you need is honey and turmeric. Yeah, sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, stay tuned because this little combo just might change your life. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the golden duo, honey and turmeric. If you're over 50, you probably know that, well, things don't always feel like they used to. Maybe it's the creaky knees, the sore back, or just that overall feeling of, wow, when did I start grunting every time I stand up? So, how about a little boost from nature's powerhouse ingredients? Turns out, mixing honey with turmeric could be the game changer you didn't know you needed. Let's see what happens if you start taking this after 50, besides impressing all your friends with your knowledge of random natural remedies. Let's start with some sciencey stuff that's actually kinda cool. Turmeric is like the Beyoncé of spices. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Yes, centuries, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. It's packed with this compound called curcumin, which sounds fancy, but it's basically the part that does all the heavy lifting in reducing inflammation and fighting off free radicals. Think of curcumin as the bouncer that kicks out the rowdy guests, aka the nasty little molecules that age us. And then we have honey. Sweet, sticky, and packed with antioxidants, honey is a natural energy booster and immunity-boosting champ. Together, honey and turmeric are like the dynamic duo you didn't know you needed. Batman and Robin for your health. So you're probably thinking, sure, this sounds all woo-woo, but what does it actually do? Well, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up and not feeling like you need a warm-up routine just to get out of bed. That's right. This magical mix can help reduce inflammation in your joints, which might mean less creaking and more moving. No, it won't make you 20 again, but hey, it's a start. Plus, some people report having more energy and fewer sick days. Honey and turmeric have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, so you're basically setting up a mini superhero squad inside your body. It's like putting up do not disturb signs for all the germs that think they can just crash in your immune system. Okay, here's where it gets real. You know how sometimes people jump on a health trend without reading the fine print? Yeah, honey and turmeric have that effect too. One big mistake? Taking a giant spoonful of turmeric and calling it a day. Guys, turmeric is powerful, but you don't need to chug it. A little goes a long way, okay? We're not trying to become living curry spices here. A good starting point is just a 1/4 teaspoon mixed with 1 teaspoon of honey. Start small, and don't be that person who thinks, if a little is good, then a lot must be amazing. Spoiler, that's not how it works. Now, how do you actually make this wonder potion? Here's the recipe, super simple. Take a small bowl, add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it with a teaspoon of honey. That's it. You can take it straight, like a sweet golden paste, or mix it into warm water if you're fancy like that. Just don't mix it with hot water, okay? Heat can destroy some of the good stuff in honey, so we're going for warm, not lava hot. Alright, but does it really work? I know. Some of you are thinking, this sounds a little too easy. And you're right to be skeptical. But here's the thing, there's actual science to back this up. Studies have shown that curcumin can reduce markers of inflammation, which is a big deal when it comes to joint pain and even heart health. Plus, antioxidants in honey fight off free radicals that cause aging. It's not a cure-all, but it's something you can add to your routine with actual benefits. And look, even if it just makes you feel a little better or gives you that placebo boost of, I'm doing something good for myself, it's worth a try. Worst case? You had a tasty spoonful of honey with a hint of spice. So what's the big payoff? After a week or so, you might notice some subtle differences. Maybe a little more pep in your step, fewer aches in those knees, and maybe even a bit more, hey, I got this, in your mood. This little duo won't magically reverse the clock, but it can give you that edge you're looking for to feel just a bit better every day. Alright, let's sum this up in case you were busy thinking about what's for dinner. Honey and turmeric, when taken together, can reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and give you a natural energy lift. Just remember, don't go overboard with the turmeric, keep it in moderation, and try it consistently for at least a week to see results. It's simple, it's easy, and best of all, it's delicious. So if you're ready to shake things up a bit and see if this golden duo lives up to the hype, go grab that honey jar, dust off your turmeric, and give it a whirl. Who knows? This little trick might just become your new daily habit. And hey, if it doesn't work, at least you'll have a great new story for your friends about the time you tried an ancient remedy. Go on, give it a try. And if you enjoyed this video and want more down-to-earth health tips, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you've tried honey and turmeric, or if you're just here for the laughs. See you next time.